I'm on the upside down. This is how you pilot trains, everybody. This is how. This is exactly how you will take your trains and pilot them. Look, I can see you on. Allie, hi, Allie. I can see you walking.
Yeah, and you're just in the train. You are here.
Oh, when you see the recording of this, you're gonna laugh.
I am pointing at you right now. You're just walking around the front of the train.
I don't know about you, but this doesn't look like the front of the train to me.
Well, it does to me, so...
Right, we put a little bit more water in.
No, I just made things
keep
worse.
The system going until
I made things
don't
worse.
touch any buttons. Why are you ahead? Oh, you're actually upside down right now. You're doing hands.
Oh, this is not good.
Literally doing a hand.
Oh, my word. This looks real scuffed right now.
Oh, you do, yeah.
Allie, help me.